This is the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, and Samsung is straight up positioning it as a MacBook Pro 16 rival, but with Windows. Big claim, right? A thin and light laptop with serious Intel power, RTX graphics, and a gorgeous OLED display. I've been using it as my daily machine, and while there's a lot to love here, there are a few things Samsung definitely doesn't shout about in the marketing. So, is this actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk. Samsung Galaxy Book 3 product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, released in early 2023, and it's Samsung's most powerful laptop to date. It's aimed squarely at creators, power users, and professionals who want MacBook Pro-level performance, but prefer Windows or are deep in Samsung's Galaxy ecosystem. You're getting Intel's 13th Gen Core i7 or Core i9 processors, optional NVIDIA RTX 4050 or 4070 graphics, and a massive 16-inch 3K AMOLED display. Prices aren't cheap, starting around MacBook Pro territory, which immediately raises the question, does it earn that price tag? Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? In daily use, the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra is fast, like effortlessly fast. I used it for everything from Chrome tabs everywhere, Slack and Zoom calls, to 4K video editing and Lightroom exports, and it barely broke a sweat. With the Core i9 and RTX 4070, this thing handles creative workloads shockingly well for how thin it is. Video timelines stay smooth, renders are quick, and multitasking never feels sluggish. Counterpoint Research and other reviewers have pointed out that this is one of the strongest Intel-based creator laptops Samsung has ever made, and I agree. Now, is it MacBook Pro-level efficiency? Not quite. Under heavy, sustained loads, the fans do spin up, and you'll notice some warmth. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features, because this is where Samsung flexes. First, that AMOLED display. It's a 16-inch 3K AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, and honestly, it's stunning. Colors pop, blacks are truly black, and scrolling feels insanely smooth. If you're a photo editor or content creator, this display alone might sell you. Second, RTX graphics. Having an RTX 4050 or 4070 means you get real GPU acceleration for creative apps, plus access to NVIDIA Studio drivers. Translation, faster exports, smoother previews, and better performance in apps like Premiere Pro and Blender. Third, Galaxy ecosystem features. If you use a Samsung phone or tablet, things like second screen, quick share, and multi-control actually feel useful, not gimmicky. Dragging files between devices or using your tablet as a second display just works. Design and build. Aesthetically, Samsung absolutely nailed it. The Galaxy Book 3 Ultra has a clean, minimalist aluminum design that feels premium the moment you pick it up. It's surprisingly thin for a 16-inch laptop with dedicated graphics and is light enough that tossing it in a backpack doesn't feel like a punishment. The keyboard is spacious and comfortable for long typing sessions, and the trackpad is huge, MacBook-level huge, and thankfully very responsive. My only minor gripe, the finish does attract fingerprints, so if that bothers you, keep a microfiber cloth nearby. Battery life. Battery life is good, but not class-leading. With mixed use, browsing, writing, streaming, you can expect around 7 to 9 hours, which is respectable for a high-performance Windows laptop with an OLED screen. But if you're pushing the GPU or doing heavy creative work, that number drops fast. This is where Apple still has the edge. The MacBook Pro simply lasts longer unplugged. That said, for most professionals who work near outlets, pros. Gorgeous 16-inch 3K AMOLED 120Hz display. Strong Intel plus RTX performance in a thin chassis. Excellent integration with Samsung Galaxy devices. Cons. Expensive, especially at higher configurations. Battery life can't touch MacBook Pro levels. Final verdict? So, who is this actually for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a Windows power user or creator who wants top-tier performance, a jaw-dropping display, and a premium design, the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra is a fantastic option. If you're already in the Samsung ecosystem, it's an even easier recommendation. But if battery life is your #1 priority, or you're fully locked into macOS workflows, the MacBook Pro still has an edge in efficiency.